In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostgator in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first website or an experienced developer, Hostgator provides an intuitive platform to manage your web hosting needs. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, navigate to the Hostgator website. This is where all the magic begins. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, open your browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the Hostgator homepage, you'll see a vibrant and user-friendly interface that prompts you to get started with your hosting journey. Now let's move on to signing into your account. Look for the sign in button prominently displayed at the top. Clicking it will lead you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're not already a Hostgator customer, you'll want to create an account and log in. Once you're logged in, find yourself at the Hostgator home dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting services. From here, you'll have easy access to various features and settings that Hostgator offers. Next, we're going to click on the Websites option. This area allows you to view and manage your existing websites hosted on Hostgator. If you plan to add a new website, this is where you'll start that process as well. From the Websites menu, head over to Settings. This section offers a range of configuration options for your hosted sites. Whether you need to adjust security settings or configure performance preferences, you'll find all the necessary tools here. Now for a bit more technical control, click on the Advanced option. Here you can delve deeper into more specific and technical settings of your website hosting. Advanced users typically use this section to customize the server environment and optimize performance. Once you're ready to access more powerful tools, it's time to go to your cPanel. This control panel is a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage everything from databases to domain settings in one place. Setting up your email accounts through cPanel is straightforward. Navigate to the email section within cPanel and follow the instructions to add and manage email accounts. This feature ensures you can communicate efficiently using your domain-specific emails. Finally, let's talk about backup management. It's crucial to regularly back up your website to protect against data loss. In cPanel, there's a designated area for managing backups, allowing you to schedule automatic backups or perform manual ones. And there you have it, a quick guide to navigating Hostgator efficiently. With these steps, you can manage your hosting accounts seamlessly, enabling you to focus on your business or creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.